Hey everybody, I hope everybody is well today. Alright guys, so we do have the spoilers for the August glam bag. So first I'm going to show you all the full size $12 items, and then I'm going to show you the deluxe sample sized items, which is $3. Now I'm not going to go over every item because there is so many, so I'm just going to put them up on the screen up here. And if you don't know about Ipsy, it's a beauty subscription for $10 a month. You will get 5 sample sized products and a really cute bag. You can upgrade to Ipsy GlamBag Plus, which that is $25 a month, where you will get 5 full-sized items every month worth over $120. And Ipsy Add Ons is of course an add-on feature which you can get with your GlamBag or your GlamBag Plus box, where you can add up to 3 items every month. And again, they're going to be at discounted prices. You get full-sized items for $12, sample-sized items for $3. So make sure to take advantage of that if you do. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.